Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Dogecoin from Gemini to Exmo in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you stay secure and efficient. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes in, transferring Dogecoin can help you manage your assets better. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Exmo. Log into your Gemini account and head to the wallet section. Here, locate your Dogecoin balance. It's usually under the Assets tab. Once you're there, select Dogecoin and choose the Withdraw option. This is where things get exciting, but remember, accuracy is key to avoid any mishaps. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Gemini might prompt you to select the network for Dogecoin. Stick with the main Dogecoin network for compatibility. Now, grab your Exmo wallet address. To find this, log into your Exmo account, go to the deposit section, and select Dogecoin. Copy that address carefully, double-check it to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Paste it into the Gemini withdrawal form, specify the amount you want to transfer, and review any fees. Gemini typically charges a small network fee, so keep that in mind for 2025 updates. Hit confirm on Gemini, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. This transaction might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. While you wait, head back to Exmo and monitor your wallet for the incoming Dogecoin. Once it arrives, you're all set. A quick tip for 2025: crypto regulations might have changed, so always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. And there you have it. Your Dogecoin is now on Exmo, ready for trading or holding. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.